Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0971 indicates a problem with the Pressure Control Solenoid C control circuit in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This solenoid plays a crucial role in managing the hydraulic pressure within the continuously variable transmission, CVT. Specifically, it controls the hydraulic pressure for the forward clutch and reverse brake, which are essential for the proper functioning of the CVT. When an error occurs, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, registers this anomaly and stores the diagnostic trouble code. The failure can manifest as a short circuit or an intermittent fault in the electrical supply, leading to issues in current readings in the solenoid circuit. The TCM monitors the solenoid's operation through a duty cycle output, adjusting hydraulic pressure based on real-time electrical feedback. Understanding this diagnostic code is vital for efficient troubleshooting and repairs. The CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve is a pivotal component in managing the hydraulic systems of the transmission. Positioned within the CVT assembly, this solenoid regulates the hydraulic pressure applied to both the forward clutch and the reverse brake. Its operation is managed by a duty cycle output, meaning the movement of the valve spool is directly influenced by the current supplied. If the current falls short or exceeds expected values, the solenoid cannot properly maintain the hydraulic pressure, leading to performance issues. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is responsible for assessing the current passing through this solenoid. If it detects inconsistencies via feedback control, it activates the DTC P0971 to highlight the issue. A short circuit in the solenoid valve's line can also contribute significantly to this fault code being triggered, leading to inappropriate hydraulic pressure application. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC P0971. One prominent cause is a short in the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve line, which can disrupt the smooth operation of the hydraulic pressure management system. An internal circuit short within the solenoid can also precipitate this error, resulting in an inconsistency between the commanded and measured currents. This malfunction not only affects the solenoid's operation, but can also lead to erratic transmission behavior. Additionally, the TCM itself may suffer an internal circuit failure, rendering it unable to correctly interpret and respond to the solenoid's functionality. Each of these failures emphasizes the critical role of electrical integrity in modern transmission systems. Identifying these potential causes is essential for effective troubleshooting and diagnosis. When DTC P0971 is present, certain symptoms become apparent, indicating there is an issue within the system. The first notable symptom is the activation of the malfunction indicator light, commonly known as the MIL, which alerts the driver to an underlying problem with vehicle performance. Another sign is the blinking of the shift position indicator, which can further signal transmission issues. Drivers may also experience erratic transmission performance, such as slipping or a delayed response when engaging forward or reverse gears. These symptoms are not only frustrating for drivers, but can lead to additional wear and tear on the transmission system if left unaddressed. Monitoring these signs can aid in early diagnosis and prompt repairs, thus prolonging the life of the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0971 involves starting the engine and allowing it to run for at least 1 second. This initial step ensures that all vehicle systems, including the transmission, are in a ready state for diagnostic evaluation. Following this, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, must be employed to retrieve any relevant diagnostic information. Utilizing the HDS allows for a comprehensive analysis of the TCM and its associated sensors. It will specifically help to check for any stored DTCs and assess the operational status of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid. Accurate readings from the HDS are crucial for pinpointing the root cause of the malfunction. It's essential to record all findings as they will guide the next steps in the troubleshooting process. The second step involves checking the transmission control module for potential faults or issues. A thorough inspection of the TCM ensures that it's functioning correctly and is capable of sending appropriate signals to the solenoid. Next, examining the wiring and connectors linked to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid is imperative. Damaged, corroded, or loose connections can lead to variable current readings, which may trigger the DTC. Attention should be given to continuity tests to ensure that electrical signals can travel freely without interruption. If any abnormalities are discovered during these checks, repairs or replacements should be made to restore proper electrical flow. These actions will help isolate the issue affecting the solenoid circuit and potentially eliminate the DTC. In the third troubleshooting step, direct testing of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid is required. Utilizing the HDS, the technician should engage the solenoid while monitoring its performance. The solenoid should respond appropriately to the commands given, adjusting hydraulic pressure as indicated by the readings on the diagnostic tool. Additionally, verifying hydraulic pressure readings is essential to confirm that the solenoid is functioning within specified limits. If hydraulic pressure is too high or too low, this could indicate a failure within the solenoid or a related hydraulic component. Documenting any discrepancies will be useful for further analysis and may point toward the necessary corrective actions needed. A successful test would indicate that the solenoid is operational, while any issues would necessitate further investigation. Final repair verification is a crucial step to ensure that the issues regarding DTC P0971 have been successfully resolved. After any repairs or replacements have been made, the next step is to clear the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System. This action resets the TCM's memory and removes any stored fault codes. Following this, it's vital to perform a road test to confirm that the vehicle operates correctly and that no further issues arise. During the test drive, attention should be paid to the operation of the transmission and any related symptoms that were initially present. If the MIL remains off and the shift position indicator functions normally, it suggests that the repairs were successful. Clear documentation of this verification process will aid in maintaining the vehicle's service history. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0971. One critical action is to regularly inspect the connections to the transmission control module to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion. Corroded or loose connections can lead to unreliable electrical signaling, risking future malfunctions. Additionally, it is essential to maintain the integrity of the hydraulic system associated with the CVT. Regular checks for leaks and ensuring proper fluid levels will contribute to the longevity of the transmission components. Establishing a habit of timely inspections can catch potential issues early, allowing for proactive resolutions before they escalate into more serious concerns. Documenting these maintenance checks not only helps in vehicle reliability, but also supports warranty claims if issues should arise. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0971 is vital for diagnosing and addressing issues with the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid circuit. Recognizing the symptoms, such as the MIL activation and blinking shift position indicator, provides critical initial diagnostic clues. Following systematic troubleshooting steps allows for a thorough evaluation of necessary components, helping to locate the source of the problem efficiently. Once repairs are made, thorough verification through diagnostic tools ensures that the issue has been resolved, restoring the vehicle's functionality. Emphasizing preventive maintenance will aid in avoiding future pitfalls, ultimately leading to a more reliable vehicle. Comprehensive knowledge and a methodical approach will significantly enhance the technician's ability to handle similar issues effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.